by 5 o'clock, we were at a standstill on Lakeshore Drive, plus between Belmont and Fullerton, and stuck in our car for the next 9 hours.
So that was at 5 o'clock?
Yes.
You seem like you had, like you said, allowed plenty of time to get home.
We thought we did, and we were mistaken.
So, Jonathan, at that point, what happened? When did you see the emergency officials come out to you?
Yesterday at about 2:30, I got a text from my mom saying, "Honey, get home and be safe." And I was like, "Come on. Be serious, Mom.
But I have to tell you, when I took it down,
I'll be okay." And I actually did. I came home and I sent her a text and said, "I'm home and I'm
I
safe."
really have to tell you, I began to wonder whether we would...
Mothers know best.
My wife gets about in a wheelchair. There was no way that we could leave the vehicle.
Wow.
For safety. Marching down, I think...
It's not gonna work. There's not enough light. It's not enough light, David. Not enough light, David. Oh ho, writing the paper. Summary paper. I'm a hyper-competitive person. Yeah. Yep.
Damn it, Doc Holliday
Here's
just
some
died.
Frontier Justice with Kurt Russell.
Zibby. An encore presentation of Tombstone. Oh, what's going on out here in Chicago? Whoa. It's cold outside. It's not enough light, David. Not enough light, David. That is... oh, God. This is pretty crazy. Letting go, not easy. My balls. My balls. School's open today. Yay.
Strange face with your eyes, so pale and sincere. Underneath, you know well, you have nothing to fear. For the dreams that came to you when so young, told of a life where spring is sprung. You'd see.
Is that like a hole in the wall place? Yeah.
In the cold
Yeah.
when the armies of emotion You sail to the sky, and the planets stop away. So forget this cruel world where I belong. I'll just sit and wait and sing my song. And if one day you should see me lend a hand and lift me to your place.